and we won't have to cry no more.
Summoned by Nature was started by a group of brothers who believe in making their community and the world a better place. They share the same desire to be the difference the world needs and to support the human race. The idea was to sell quality and affordable merchandise and put the proceeds towards building a closer community and helping children be successful. Summoned by Nature continues to do various projects that help serve their local neighborhoods, as well as proving to the public that they can be the small piece that makes a big impact. This core belief has created the foundation and slogan for Summoned by Nature and remains the driving force today and for years to come.
Hi, my name is Lex, and I'm a director for Summoned by Nature.
Who is in Summoned by Nature?
Members of Summoned by Nature, including myself, are Keyshawn, Leroy, Ozzy, Marcus, JP, Daryl, and Steven.
What are the different t-shirt logos Summoned by Nature has?
The different logos we have for Summoned by Nature include All-Star, Drip, Retro, Howling Wolf, Shadow, and we have a new one coming called Impact.
What's going on, y'all boys? It's your boy D, one of the managers for Summoned by Nature.
Where would you like to see Summoned by Nature at in the future?
I can see Summoned by Nature flourishing, being successful. I'd love to see us, let's see the brand making a huge impact in our communities, giving back. You know, I feel that's very important with our brand, you know, from all different upbringings. The community helped bring us up with our upbringing, you know. I feel that that's something we all want for our brand, to make a big impact in our communities.
What's next for Summoned by Nature? Any upcoming events?
We have a couple of things coming soon. We'll be having our annual Father's Day photo shoot with Arthur Jackson Photography. Then on August 8th, we'll be having our book bag raffle for back to school. It's one of our biggest giveaways of the year, so y'all stay tuned for that.
Hi, I'm Roy, and I'm a director of Summoned by Nature.
Why the name Summoned by Nature?
We based the name off the Mighty Morphin Power Rangers. Like them, you were called to help save the world and make a big difference.
How do you want people to view Summoned by Nature?
I want people to view us as a non-profit organization that is doing their part to serve and give back to the community in all aspects, no matter how big or small.
Hello, I'm Keyshawn Clark, CEO and founder of Summoned by Nature.
What is the main goal of Summoned by Nature?
To help within the community by donating and volunteering, also to leave a legacy for future generations.
What inspired the concept of Summoned by Nature?
It would be my mother, Camille Clark, inspired me and others with generous heart. She was always willing to help and wanted to continue that.
We are Summoned by Nature. so special.